Pay attention to the starting position of this piece, but you also need to pay attention that we're gonna play octave lower. Left hand will be playing in low G flat, octave lower, and then right hand will be playing bass C and bass E, octave lower, and pay attention to the finger numbers. So this is gonna be octave lower, then here is going to be as written, and then when we move here, it's gonna be as written. So your hands will be moving a lot. Remember, you have a fermata here, and then on measure 9, it says play quickly, so you're gonna play a little faster. Remember not to play too fast until you have the steady beat. You start playing piano, but then you have forte. Over here you have retardando, that means play gradually slower. And then you're gonna keep playing forte. And then when you get to measure 25, you start playing mezzo forte again with pedal. So pedal is gonna be played on the first 2 lines and then the last 2 lines of the piece. It's important to hold the whole note that you have on the left hand as you play the right hand. So you have one here, then you have another one here on measure 11, and then measure 17, 19, you have another one, and I think that's it. But you have many whole notes that you need to be careful and count 4 counts, okay? Pay attention to accents. Also accents with staccato, so you play louder but also detached and short. Remember, staccato doesn't mean play fast. And here you have another accent, and then the following note is staccato, and then you have a rest. The last line you have octave lower sign again. And the last 2 measures says retardando, play gradually slower, and then diminuendo, play gradually softer. Remember, on measure 8 says lift pedal. So we'll go on the first 8 measures, then no pedal. Then measure 25 to the end, pedal again. Let's play and count. Our left hand finger 4 is going to be on G flat, octave lower. So as written would be this G. But it says octave lower, we come here. Measure 1 with pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be finger 2 on C, finger 4 on E, but again it's octave lower because it would be here as written, but with octave lower sign it's gonna be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 for playing piano. Measure 3, we play as written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move to middle G flat on the bass clef with finger 4 left hand, and B flat with finger 2 left hand. 1, 2, 3 for right hand, middle C, and E with finger 2 and finger 4, and then B flat with left hand. 3, 4, and A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On measure 9, we play forte, finger 3 left hand on A, finger 1 right hand on middle C. We hold A because it's a whole note, and then we hold it for 4 counts, but right hand is going to be playing on count number 2. On measure 10, you have an accent. Pay attention. And then you have staccato on the 3rd count, followed by our quarter rest on the 4th count. 1, 2, 3, 4, accent. 1, 2, 3, 4, legato. 2, holding left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure 13, 14, 15, 16, legato. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note. 1, 2, and then the third beat is going to be G sharp with accent and staccato. 3 and 4 for the quarter rest. Measure 17, holding the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, accent. 1, 2, staccato. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure 21. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Staccato. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Half rest. Measure 25, pedal and finger 4 on G flat. 1, 2, measure forte. 3, 4, right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower and lower. Watch the finger numbers. When you play the same key with different finger number, it's called finger substitution.